Hey Workshop Gang, I thought I would do a follow-up on the Aerogarden. When my wife and I did the other video, I think the time on the smaller version was at 62 days and it is now at 95 days. And I want to show you the progress of these tomato plants. There are tomatoes everywhere on this thing. And I mean everywhere. Bunches and bunches and bunches, and there's more coming. And you can see some are just about ready to pick, and there's more on the way. She's still cutting off the dill and of course parsley and using the other herbs, but I wanted to show you the other one. Now this is about 30 days, I think, if that's a comparison from the first one. You can see the lettuce is coming in nicely, as expected. The stevia did not sprout, so we don't know if it ever will. There were 2 packages of stevia. There's the second one. No good. And of course the other cherry tomato plant. So things are looking good, and I can't wait to get into some of these tomatoes. Now I want to show you another update on the trees that I planted outside. In case you didn't get enough of Ollie, huh buddy? Come on. And that's Lily. She's got a hip or something hurting her. Not sure. And that's Katie. They like to look for squirrels. Now I don't know the exact date that I planted these trees, but this little hazelnut, the first, this one when I planted it, it had one little leaf sprouting off. And as you can see, at least I hope you can see it, got a reflection on the screen, it has several leaves pushing off now and is looking pretty good. The other one still hasn't shown anything. Now it's not rigid. There's still flexibility, so that tells me it's still alive, which is good. But I'm waiting for something to sprout out of that. And the little fig tree hasn't done anything either. Now I don't know the timeline on these, how long it takes for them to take root and start to sprout, but I'm just gonna let it go and see what happens. Beyond that, the blueberry bushes are looking pretty good. Now of course I need to get out here and mow down what is mostly weeds, but the blueberry bushes had lots of blooms on them last week, so I'm looking forward to hopefully having a good batch of blueberries this year. I know it's hard to see through that screen, but that's where things are at. And of course spring is sprung, so to speak, and so we're looking forward to having something growing and start producing very soon out here. One more look at Ollie. And I have plenty of clover growing in if anybody wants some of that. That's it for today. Just a brief little update. And I may do a review on my riding lawnmower if you're all interested. It's an Aaron's Icon that I bought 2 years ago, I think. 0-turn mower, and I really have enjoyed the thing. So I'm thinking about doing a review on that. So that'll come later, and that's it for now. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, and take care of yourselves. Hey Workshop Gang, I thought I would do a follow-up. I did that other video with my wife. We talked about, or we put, uh-oh.